Today I just tell you how to install third-party package managers or third-party toolbox. Right now I just install one Arduino toolbox into my LabVIEW system. So first I just go to NI new VI. Over here I just show you there is no Arduino toolbox installed in my system. So over here, as you see, there is no Arduino toolbox or Maker Hub toolbox is there in my system. So I just close the VI. Over here on the desktop, this is my VI package manager. I just open it, and over here it looks like this window. So right now it is just downloading, uploading, not downloading, it is uploading all the third party toolbox into the VIPM. This is for third party toolbox only. So if you want to install Arduino toolbox into your system, so you need to just search over here. First it upload all the toolboxes. Right now it is refreshing package database, as you see on the window also. It will take some time. As you see right now over here, a vast library is there. If you want to go for Arduino, you just type Arduino over here. There are 4 toolbox available. Using these 4 toolbox you can control your Arduino or program your Arduino. As you see right now, I just select this Digilent Linux toolbox. It will include Arduino, Raspberry Pi, Beginbone. So you just need to install, click over the install. As you see, just continue. I agree, accept it. VIPM is going to restart LabVIEW. Just click OK. If some LabVIEW VI is open, you just need to close the LabVIEW because it need to restart your LabVIEW. Let's check what happened. So again, right now my LabVIEW is open. So I just close this because it is asking me to save your unsaved VI. Right now VIPM, my LabVIEW is closed. I just press OK. So now it prompt me to a new window. It just automatically open your LabVIEW and install your third party software, or you can say toolbox, to a system. You just need to click over here, allow it. As you see, the toolbox right now it is downloading and adding to the library of LabVIEW. When it is complete, we just got a symbol over here of installed systems. It will take some time. As you see, different libraries right now added to the LabVIEW software. Right now it is just extracting all the toolboxes from Maker Hub. In this particular toolbox, you just find out how to acquire digital signal, how to acquire analog signal, how to interface different sensors like ultrasonic sensor, IR sensor, PIR sensor, your LCD, your temperature sensor you can interface using Arduino. In this particular software, you just program your Arduino using GUI. You just go through drag and drop boxes. You need not to learn about different syntaxes. So as you see, right now it is connecting to the LabVIEW 2023 Q3 version. Right now it is compiling package 1, package 2. It is connecting to the LabVIEW. If it fails, it cannot install the library. Right now click installed mark is over here. I just show you the Arduino toolbox after the complete installation. As you see, right now it is opening VI reference. All the 105 basic VIs or basic nodes it will install to your system. As you see, right now it is uploading. 55 done till now. $92 done, only few left. You can see the changes. Right now it is saving. Based on your internet connection and your system speed, it will take time. Right now it is installing different VIs related to Raspberry Pi, Arduino, Beacon Bone and some other hardware. As you see, it is opening. VI reference says 1 out of 581. It will take some time. So as you see right now, Maker Hub toolbox successfully installed. This type of action you needed, just finish it. I just right click over the finish. As you see, this is successfully installed into my system. Right now I just go to the LabVIEW, and over here I just go to the functional palette. Over here I just got Maker Hub toolbox, and over here you just find out different peripheral related, like if you want to go with I2C SPI UART protocol, you just go through these toolboxes. Otherwise, if you want to work with PWM, digital signal and analog signal, you just find out different toolbox over here. Otherwise, in the Linux there are different sensors also, like accelerometer, display, distance, light, different temperature sensors you can find out over here in these toolboxes. TMP3X is over here. Then other than this, there are some utilities also, you just find out over here. So you create your own code to program the Arduino using graphical programming.